A malware or malicious program can modify or damage files on our computer. Its objectives can be a simple joke or do serious damage in the operating system. It is normally executed without the user's knowledge and can take control of the service. A system can be affected due to infection by social networks, fraudulent websites, USB, CD, or DVD infections. Prevention can occur with an antivirus program or firewall, but initially it must be identified what types of viruses are affecting the applications. Boot virus. It affects the computer's boot system and the execution of the operating system. It is activated when the computer is turned on. Logical or time bombs. Activated with a specific event or combination of specific keys. Link virus. These programs modify access addresses to the files and prevent location of saved files. Overwriting viruses. They overwrite the contents of files and consequently the general information is lost. The protection of the systems is very important, and you can prevent their infection with basic rules of daily care. You should mainly install a reliable antivirus software, update it constantly and use it before opening any attached file. Do not run programs with unknown origin and make backup copies frequently. These are the 5 best antiviruses. Each specialize in protection. You can download them and keep your devices protected. Bitdefender. Solution not only for a device but can also protect a smart home or a company, detects and anticipates measures to neutralize hazards. Norton. It also offers protection for smartphones and tablets with packages that include backup copies, exclusive features and many benefits you can find from $18 or 58,000 Colombian pesos. Panda. It has big data, that is, the capacity to save data sets with a high volume and with artificial intelligence in such a way that it can detect attacks even before they happen.